This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to link accounts now. First, sign into Roblox and open account settings. This is where connections live and where Roblox verifies linked providers. Make sure your Google account is logged in on the same device or browser to speed authorization. Once in settings, find the Connections or Login section and choose Add or Link a Provider. You'll begin an OAuth flow. This lets Roblox access only basic profile info. Proceed when you see the Google option to start authorization. Now you'll complete the middle, more detailed steps. Tap or click Google in the Connections area. Roblox opens a Google consent dialog. Read the permission list. Roblox usually needs basic profile and email. That's how sign-in and recovery work. Choose the correct Google account. If multiple appear, then allow. Once authorized, Roblox returns you to account settings and displays the linked provider. Make sure the email shown matches your Google account, and check for any prompts to verify or finalize the link. Finish by testing the connection. Sign out and use Sign In with Google to confirm the link works. This proves Roblox accepted the OAuth token. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication on both accounts for secure recovery. If you run into issues, first clear browser cache or app data and retry, or try an incognito window to avoid cached logins. If you still can't link, unlink any conflicting providers and repeat the authorization. Support can help in rare account conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.